Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a website from Google search result using an app. Now let's get started. You cannot delete a website directly from Google unless you own it. But if the website is yours or the content is about you, there are ways to remove it. Unlock your iPhone or open Safari or any browser on your phone. Now in the search bar, type search.google.com. This is a tool by Google used to manage websites. Add your website if it's not already added. Follow the on-screen steps to verify ownership. Once verified, tap Removals. Now tap New Request. Enter the URL you want to remove and then tap Submit. Google will temporarily remove the website or page from search results. To permanently remove it, you should also delete the page from your website. And that's it. This is a correct and simple way to delete or remove a website from Google using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.